Spaceship Voyager. Future astronauts, calm down. It's not a spacecraft, unfortunately, but it is an app that allows you to invest in some of the world's biggest companies, all via your smartphone. It's like a managed fund, where Spaceship will pick a whole bunch of companies it thinks will do well. So when you invest via Spaceship, you're not actually buying shares in individual companies. You're buying units in a managed fund. There's a whole bunch of benefits to investing this way, and we're going to go through those benefits now. So what are the features? By investing with Spaceship Voyager, you get an instantly diversified portfolio with exposure to up to 200 global companies. Instead of spending loads of time researching companies yourself, Spaceship Voyager will do that for you and it will monitor the performance of those companies it's investing in. You can choose to invest in the index portfolio or the universe portfolio. The index portfolio invests in up to 200 of the world's largest companies by market cap size. The universe portfolio invests in 100 companies handpicked by Spaceship. Spaceship also has a strong investment in tech companies, which it says is where the world is going. While tech stocks are often more volatile than your standard blue chip companies, they do offer good opportunity for capital growth. You can also set up regular direct debits, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly to top up your portfolio balance. So what are the costs? If you have less than $5,000 invested with Spaceship, you have no fees to pay. For anything over $5,000, you'll pay 0.05% per year for the index portfolio and 0.1% for the universe portfolio. So if you had $15,000 invested, you pay $5 in fees. That's pretty good. With an online broker, you could be paying up to $19.95 per trade you place on the ASX, and it's even more for international. What are the pros and cons? On the plus side, setting up monthly payments to your Spaceship account is a great way to grow your portfolio without really having to think about it much. It's an easy and low-cost way to access a really diversified portfolio of growth stocks. And it's free for balances under $5,000. On the downside, you don't actually own any of the shares in the portfolio, so that's something to keep in mind. You also don't get to choose the companies that are invested in, but look, that can be really great if you're going for a set and forget option. So will this work for you? Spaceship could suit you if you have limited or no investment experience and you want someone just to take care of all of it for you. It's also suited to investors who want easier access to global shares. If you want to be super hands-on and handpick your stocks, this probably isn't going to be the product for you. If you're extremely risk averse and you can't really cope with the idea of your balance going up and down, it's probably going to induce a bit too much anxiety. So this one you might want to miss out on if you're a bit like that. Just remember that shares are considered a high-risk asset and tech stocks in particular are quite volatile. To wrap up, we'd love to know if you're using any investment products or apps, so let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in Spaceship Voyager, check out the link.